Hey y'all, welcome to month number 3 of our Prepper Pantry Haul. This is everything we have bought so far for the third month. I think we did pretty good on our stash. We have a nice variety of things. Definitely items we can put meals together with. We currently, on this haul, excuse my shakiness. On this haul, we've got the 28,820 calories, 1,264 grams of protein, 184 servings, and 13,795 grams of carbs. A lot of carbs, but hey, when the SHTF hits, you're going to need those carbs for energy. So that's our overview of month number 3. Now, for my next project, this is everything we have bought since I started. This is 3 months worth of product. So out of all of this, I am going to attempt to make a 72-hour bug out bag using just what we have bought with our preps, not buying anything new. That's going to be a challenge for me. I'm going to try to do it where we're cooking with like a portable heater thing, using a sterno container for the heat. And I'm going to try to do everything and figure out how much water we'll need and try to use a minimal amount of water that would be needed to cook it. So that's my game plan. I'll be working on that. We'll also have a new week coming up next week. So I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks for sticking with me for my last 3 months. I appreciate y'all. Thank you all for subscribing. I hope you continue to do so. If you have any ideas for product reviews or anything, please make a note in the comment, or you can email me at the email address on my profile. Thank you all. God bless. Have a great day. I'm out.